The first conditional is used to describe real and likely future situations that depend on a condition. It's often used for warnings, offers, advice, and plans, and is common in everyday English to talk about decisions and consequences. In this lesson, you'll learn what the first conditional means, when to use it, how to form it, and see examples to help you understand and use it correctly. To understand how the first conditional works, we need to take a quick look at two basic verb tenses, the simple present and the simple future. We already reviewed the simple present when we studied the zero conditional, so that part should feel familiar. Now we'll briefly review the simple future so we can use it confidently as we explore the first conditional. Let's get started. When we talk or write about plans, expectations, schedules, and predictions, we often use the simple future tense. The simple future tense helps convey an action or state that will begin and end in the future. The simple future tense is formed using the auxiliary verb will with the main verb. The formula is subject plus will plus main verb. For example, she will travel to Europe next summer. As you can see from the example, will is conjugated the same way regardless of the sentence's subject in person or number. Verbs don't change form. The word will is the only thing needed to convey that the action takes place in the future. To indicate that something won't happen, follow a similar formula but add the word not to indicate the negative. Will plus not plus main verb, or the contraction won't. For example, they will not attend the meeting tomorrow, or they won't attend the meeting tomorrow. Finally, the formula for asking a question in the simple future is will plus subject plus main verb. For example, will you come to the party tonight? As you can see, forming the simple future tense is very easy. So now let's begin the in-depth grammatical explanation of the first conditional. The first conditional is a structure used to talk about real situations that could happen in the future if a certain condition is met. For example, if you study hard, you will become successful. In this sentence, the condition studying hard leads to a possible future result, become successful. The first conditional indicates something that may happen in the present or future. It has a two-clause structure. This includes an if clause and the main clause. A comma usually separates the two clauses if the if clause precedes the main clause. The example below illustrates the comma necessity. If I win the contest, I will be rich. In contrast, when the main clause appears first, there is no need for a comma. The example below shows the lack of a comma. I will be rich if I win the contest. Let's see other examples. If it rains, I will stay at home. If I wake up late, I will miss the bus. And if it's sunny, we'll go to the park. If one leaves, Paula will be sad. If I find your email, I will send you the picture. If you study hard, you will pass your exams. We can use the first conditional for several purposes. Making predictions. If you study, you'll pass the exam. Giving warnings. If you touch that wire, you'll get shocked. Offering help or support. If you need anything, I'll be there. Giving advice. If it rains, take your umbrella. And talking about plans or decisions. If we finish early, we'll go out for dinner. The most straightforward formula for making a first conditional negative is if plus subject plus don't or doesn't plus verb in simple form, comma, subject plus will not plus verb in simple form. For example, if my mom doesn't bake a cake, I won't take 2 pieces to my friend. If my sisters don't study hard, my dad won't buy a gift for them. You can also use other forms on this first conditional negative, as you can see in the following examples. If you don't study for the exam, you will fail. You will fail the exam if you don't study for it. If you go to the party on Saturday, you won't wake up early on Sunday. You won't wake up early on Sunday if you go to the party on Saturday. The first conditional can also be used to ask questions. Here, you will still have an if clause and a main clause. A comma should be used to separate the if clause and the main clause when the if clause comes before the main clause. However, in the main clause, the will and subject are switched in order to form a question. For example, if I ask nicely, will Sarah lend me her class notes? If you don't study, will you pass the test tomorrow? In contrast, when the main clause appears first, there is no need for a comma. The example below shows the lack of the comma. For example, will Sarah lend me her class notes if I ask nicely? Will you pass the test tomorrow if you don't study? Here are other examples. Will you buy me an ice cream if I clean my room? Will he pick you up if it is too late? If you pass your exams, will you go to the university? If I lose your umbrella, will you buy another one? Questions in the first conditional or future conditional that begin with a question word follow this order. Question word plus will plus subject plus verb plus if plus subject plus verb. For example, what will he do if she leaves him? What will happen if he fails? Where will we live if we have to move? When will you go camping if you can't go this weekend? The main question words are whose, which, who, whom, how, what, when, where, and why. Here we have other examples. If you have free time next weekend, what will you do? If it rains tomorrow, how will you spend your day? If you can have dinner with a famous person, who will it be? If you can travel to any country next year, where will you go? The first conditional is a powerful tool for talking about real and possible future situations. It helps you express what will happen if a certain condition is met. By understanding when to use it and how to build it, you can communicate future possibilities with confidence and precision. I invite you to listen first conditional sentences in real conversations. They appear constantly in everyday English. Thank you for your attention to this presentation. Okay, after this grammar explanation, we can identify the difference between the zero conditional and the first conditional. Remember that in zero conditional, in both clauses, we use the simple present. But now, in this first conditional, we are going to combine the simple present with the simple future to form this structure. Let's put it in practice doing some exercises. Remember, in these exercises, I need your help. Please, Emiliano, do you have any question? No? Okay. Let's start then with the exercises about the first conditional. Remember, I need your participation. First conditional exercises. Let's see the first one. Choose the best answer for each question. They are not exactly questions, they are sentences, okay? And for each of them, we have three possible options, A, B, or C. Who can help us with the number one, please? A volunteer? Remember, we need to use the simple present and the future. A volunteer for the first one? We are 26 people in this class. A volunteer to do the first exercise, please. Number one. Thank you, Maria Fernanda. Thank you so much. Please, number one.
If you, la respuesta sería think careful, you know what to do.
What letter is it?
Yes,
What letter do you choose? A, B, or C?
B.
B, exactly. You are right. Thank you, Fernanda. Okay, if you think carefully, think. Thanks a lot. Another one, another volunteer, please.
If she goes out tonight, she will regret it tomorrow morning.
Can you repeat it, please, Camila?
If she goes out tonight, she will regret it tomorrow morning.
Yes, because we have the second part. Future simple. Will regret. Thank you, Camila. Thanks for your help. Number three, please. A volunteer for number three.
Yo, profesor.
Thank you, Daniela.
A ver, sería I will send you a postcard if you give, pues sería la A,
Uh-huh.
your address.
Exactly. Letter A, give. If you give me your address. Yes, you're right. Thank you. Okay, Nadia, please. Number four.
Sería my brother will miss my appointment if he is late.
Exactly. Okay, if he is late, letter C. Thanks a lot for your help. Number five, please. Volunteers. For number five.
Yo.
Yes, thank you, Adamari.
Is if he
Number five.
orders, if
I-
he
If he,
orders a pizza,
exactly.
he will eat the whole thing.
Okay, letter A, B, or C?
A.
A, yes, you're right, Adamari. Thank you so much. Letter A. Number six, please, a volunteer for number six.
Yo.
Okay, Alejandra,
Sí,
thank you so much.
they will go out for dinner if there is
Letter,
food.
what letter is it?
A.
A, exactly. They will go. Thank you so much. Another volunteer? Who
Yo.
says numbers? Exactly, Sayuri. Thank you.
Is if the weather is bad, we will cancel the picnic. It's letter
Okay,
B.
letter B. Alondra, please, next.
If I am late, my parents will be angry.
Okay, what letter is it? A, B, or C?
B.
B, okay. Paola, next, please. Number nine, Paola. Thank you, Alondra.
Sería my co-workers will hand in the report today if they finish it.
What letter is it? A, B, or C?
Sí.
C. Thank you, Paola. Thank you so much. Next, please. We need other 3 volunteers for next sentences. Who says me?
Yo.
Thank you, Sayuri.
Is if that painting is still for sale, we will buy it. Buy it?
Yes. Letter
Is letter B.
B. Alondra, please, next.
If their grandmother calls, they will sing a song to her.
Okay, what letter is it?
Sí.
C. Exactly. The last one, please. A volunteer for the next one, for the
Yo,
last. Thank you.
my manager will forget about the meeting and I don't remain here.
Repeat it, please.
My manager will forget about the meeting if I don't remain here.
Letter, Sonia.
Sí.
Sí, thank you so much, Sonia, for your help. Okay, remember, for the first conditional, we have to manage 2 clauses. One in simple present and the other one in future simple. Let's see the second exercise. Exercise number 2. Match the first part of sentences on the left with the most logical ending on the right. Each choice can only be used once. Here we have an example. If you eat too much candy, your teeth will hurt. Letter H. You are going to match the 2 columns to form first conditional sentences. Okay, Nadia, the first one, please. The second, because the first one was the example.
Sería if you don't study, sería la G, G. You
G?
will fail your exam.
Exactly.
Bueno,
You will fail your exam, letter G. Thank you so much. Yes, you're right. Okay. Armando, number 3, please.
La tercera sería, if you watch a scary movie before bed, you will have bad dreams.
But we are going to start with the sentence in the number and then complement with the second part, please. Armando.
Okay, number 3, you will have bad dreams if you watch a scary movie before bed.
Exactly. Letter, what letter
Uh,
is it?
E.
I. I. Letter I. Okay. Yes, you're right. Thank you. Dania, please, number 4.
Sí, if you eat lots of vegetables, you will be healthy.
Exactly. Letter
E.
E. Okay, letter E. Number 3 is letter I. Number 4 is letter E. Okay. 5, please. Oh, here we have it. And Roman. Roman, can you help us with number 5? No? Another volunteer, please.
Yo.
Thank
Yo.
you, Sayuri.
Ajá. Sería la 5, ¿verdad?
Exactly. Number 5, please.
Ay, no me sale. Ahí está. Es you will burn yourself. If you play with matches, is
Exactly. Letter
J.
No. Yay, exactly. Okay. Thank you, Sayuri. Letter J. Okay. Thank you. Another volunteer for number 6, please. Okay.
Yo.
Camila, number 6, and Nadia Irais, number 7. Okay. Please, Camila.
If you are late for school,
And letter B, the teacher will keep you in after class.
Yes, you're right. Next, please, Nadia. 7.
If you practice the piano every night, you will play beautiful.
Exactly. Beautifully. Letter
F. Well,
F. F. Exactly. F. Letter F. Beautifully. Beautifully. Okay. Number 8. Number 8. Who can help us with number 8, please?
Yo.
Thank you. Nicole.
If you don't finish your dinner, letter D. Sí, perdón.
See? Read the sentence, please.
I won't let you have any dessert.
Exactly, Nicole. Thank you so much. Letter C. I won't let you have any dessert. Okay, letter C. Number 9, please. Volunteer
Yo,
for number 9.
yo, profesor.
Yes, Daniela Mitchell.
Sería if you behave nicely y sería la number D. Bueno, ajá.
Uh-huh.
Sería I will buy you a thrill.
Exactly. Okay, number 10, please. Thank you, Daniela Mitchell. Number 10. Yes, Graciela.
I will pay you $10. Y la respuesta es la A.
Read the sentence in letter A, please.
If you babysit your late sister's tonic.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. As you can see, again, we put in practice the first conditional structure. Okay. Let's check the exercise number 3, the last one. Okay. Exercise number 3, put the words in the correct order to make conditional sentences. Start each sentence with the main clause plus if clause. If you check in this first part of the exercise number 3, we have to put the if clause after the main clause. It means if in the middle of the sentence. For example, we have the words will, she, her, was, give, the, rise, if, her. We are going to put in order them to do a first conditional sentence. The boss will give her a rise if she works hard. Okay, as you can see in the example, we have the if clause after the main clause. The boss will give her a rise. Okay, in that way, you are going to put the other sentences in order, please. Okay, Camila Rojas. Okay, can you give us the first one?
We will cancel the game if the weather is bad.
Yes. Yes, Camila, you are right. Okay, let me see. We will cancel the game if the weather is bad. Thank you so much for your correct answer. Okay, the second one, please, another volunteer.
Yo.
Yes, thank you, Alondra.
Her car won't start if she don't take the bus.
Can you repeat it?
Her, her car won't start if she don't take the bus. The bus.
Okay, but you have to interchange the order of the sentences because you need to start with will. And in the second part, put the sentence that has if. Change the order of your sentences. She will. Yes or no? Hello. Okay, Camila, can you help us with number 2 to check the difference? in the order, please?
Here car won't start if you doesn't take the bus.
No, not exactly. We start the second one with she.
¿Puedo yo,
Daniela Michel, yes, you can. Yes, help us.
sería, bueno, sería, she will take the bus if her car doesn't start.
Exactly. She will take the bus, this is the main clause, if her car doesn't start. Okay, remember that in this class we are learning. It doesn't matter if you are incorrect. If you are incorrect, it helps us, all of us, to learn new things. Okay, remember that. Estamos para aprender. ¿Sí? No somos perfectos, estamos aprendiendo. Entonces, si tenemos equivocaciones, nos ayudan mucho mejor porque así identificamos nuestros errores. ¿Ok? Thank you so much. She will take the bus if her car doesn't start. ¿Ok? Number 3, please. A volunteer for number 3. Remember.
Profesor.
Yes, okay, Daniela Mitchell. Okay, Daniela, thank you.
Sería, I will not come to the party if I am busy.
Not exactly.
Sería,
It could be a possible. But
sería,
try to write in the first one an affirmative sentence and in the second the negative.
sería, I will not come
No.
to the
In
party.
the first part, use affirmative. Omit not. And put not on the second part. I will. Daniela Michel. I'm sure you can do it. Or who can help us, please? Yes, Nadia Iraiza.
Puede ser, I will come to your party if I am not too busy.
Exactly. Okay. In the first one, we are going to write the affirmative. I will come to your party. This is my promise. But if I'm not busy, negative. Okay. As I told you before. In the first part, we have the affirmative, and on the second part is negative. Okay. I will come to your party if I am not busy. Okay. Then number 4, please. Thank you so much. Number 4. Yes, Jimena Rodríguez.
Sí, sería I will take an umbrella if it rains.
I will take an umbrella if it rains. Thank you so much for your help. Okay, letter B, exercise number 3. Put the words in the correct order to make conditional sentences. Start each sentence with a if clause plus the main clause. We are going to interchange the position of the main clause and the if clause. We are going to start now our sentences with if. If, then simple present, comma, then future simple. For example, words will she, her, boss give the rice if her. If she works hard, comma, the boss will give her a raise. In this second part of the exercise, we are going to use if at the beginning of our sentence. Okay? A volunteer, please. Okay, thank you, Yaretsi Guy.
Sí, bueno, sería If you don't put the milk in the fridge, it will go sour.
Yes, you're right. Thank you so much, Yaretsi. It is excellent. If you don't put the milk in the fridge, comma, it will go sour. Okay? Then, the second one. Who can help us with second one? Nadia Irais, please.
Sería, if you don't water the garden, the plants, bueno, the plants won't grow.
Can you repeat it, please?
If you don't water the garden, the plant
Can
won't
you
grow.
change the subject? Can you change or garden for plants and plants for garden on your sentence, please? Use the same sentence, but change those words.
La primera es garden y después es
Exactly, plants. Can you read it?
if you don't water the garden, the plants won't grow.
If you don't water the plants, the garden won't grow. See? That's why I told you, change the order because you said, if you don't water the garden, the plants won't grow. We only have to change the position of those words. First plants and then garden. But it's okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Camila, number 3, and Jimena, number 4, please.
If it's sunny next weekend, we will go to the beach.
Exactly. Do we have another possibility for this number 3? It's correct. If it's sunny, we will go to the beach next weekend. Can we have another possible answer? Another possible order? Jimena, can you help us with number 3?
Sí, sería, if it's sunny next weekend, we will go to the beach.
Exactly. Thank you so much. Okay. As you can see, sometimes we can have many possibilities, not only one, according to our contest. Thank you so much. Number 4, a volunteer for number 4, please. Number 4, who can help us with number 4? No one can help us with number 4?
Yo,
Yes, please. Alondra.
if the concert is sold out, we will wait too long.
No, not exactly. We need to order in another way. Who can help us? Yes. Alondra, let's see again.
No, no sé.
No? Okay. No, don't worry. Don't worry. Who can help us with number 4? Please, Jimena.
Sí, sería, if the concert is sold out, we will wait too long.
Not exactly. Because if it is sold out, we don't have more tickets, then how can we wait more time? It is not possible. Okay. Order that sentence following the structure that we have in the example. Okay, Nadia Irais.
Puede ser, if we wait too long, the concert will be sold out.
Exactly. Can you repeat it, please? Thank you so much. Okay. And check what is the correct order for this sentence. Can you repeat it?
If we wait too long, the concert will be sold out.
Okay, Nadia Irais, thanks a lot for your help. If we wait too long, the concert will be sold out. We need to buy the tickets early. Thank you so much for your participation on these exercises. Okay. Do you have any question, comment, doubt? ¿No? ¿Ninguna pregunta, ninguna aclaración, ninguna duda? Okay. Then thank you so much for your attendance and your participation on this grammar topic today. See you next Saturday. Have a nice week. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you.
Luego,
Bye,
profesor,
teacher. See you later.
gracias.
Bye. See you.